I was really surprised working with Nationwide Renewables, because when I got the first phone call, I thought, oh, it's another cold caller. But the guy that was talking to me, he was just so charming and so friendly. I thought, this can't be real. This guy, it didn't seem real because he had time for me. And then the next thing I knew, 2 guys arrived, a man with his labourer, and into the garage they went. Zoom, zoom, zoom. They were here for about 2 hours. Lifted the solar panels onto the roof, and lo and behold, I was working. Yeah. Looked at my phone, and I'm generating electricity. That's 3 weeks ago. And I've generated £17.90. And it's a dull day today, rain's forecast, there are grey clouds everywhere, and it's generating electricity now.
So for this property, we've used a Fox Inverter. As you can see, it is very small and compact. So obviously this just shows that you can put it anywhere, even in your garage, when you've got a lot of stuff in it. It's also got this dongle here. Now this is where you can monitor it on your phone, like we have previously spoke about. It's a really good piece of kit, and it's really small and compact, so then you can still get it in tight spaces.
I've been looking, Facebook throws up all sorts of offers all the time. It's always saying, use these solar panels, look at this special offer. And occasionally I've sort of put my name down to get details, but then people have phoned me up, and I didn't like their attitude. It was very pushy. Nationwide seemed to tick the right boxes, and particularly when they said, well, these panels will work on grey days, and I can have them on a flat roof. I'd always believed that I'm not facing in the right direction. I'm not north-south, I'm east-west. So I thought they won't work for me. So I was always hesitant. And then everything just seemed right about the company. I've never met a company like Nationwide Renewables. I think they've all been to charm school. Whoever I have spoken to, they're friendly, they're welcoming, they're helpful, and they give me time. With any query, you phone them up and you find a charming person on the end of the phone. They're friendly. Before I actually ticked the box that says, yes, I want to do it, I needed to know more, I needed to know what it involved. And to be honest, the guy was here for 4 hours. So it was dark when he left, because he was answering all my questions. I said, do you mind if we sit outside? It's a nice evening. And he said, fine. And then before we came in, we're sitting there in the dark. And because he was explaining things to me that I needed to know. And again, another charmer.